Hello, this is Trevor Scott Barton, and I'm reading from my story, Fragments of Hilcias and Taki's Notebook. This is chapter 24. She saw him standing on the rocks that connected her land with the water. The wind blew off the icy sea and whipped his brown face until it looked as if it might become a part of the rock, salt, and sea that made up the Arctic land. The 3 shirts and 1 coat he owned weren't enough to protect him from the cold, and the skin of his cheeks and the water in his eyes froze with the sunset. He looked so small against the sky and the sea, she thought. He looked so weak against the rocks and the ground. Small, weak things struggle to survive around the Chukchi Sea, she knew. Her heart was big and strong, and that's what helped her live in this icy cold place. His heart must be big and strong too, she thought, as she took the lantern out of the window and headed into the dusk to guide him in. And this is a poem Taki wrote for Hilcias. She titled it Small Space. We stand closely, side by side. I reach out for you and take your hand inside of mine. Our fingers intertwine and our palms make a small space. This space is warm in the midst of the deep snow that covers the frozen ground of Point Hope, is warm against the icy wind that blows off the rocking waters of the Chukchi Sea. Life is in these small spaces between us, I whisper. We stand quietly, hand in hand, with the small space, and then we smile, holding small